Hi everyone, Dustin here with Rockbox Structures, giving you a tour of one of our most popular products, the rolling thrones. If you want to follow me around, I'll show you what it's got. So these stairs fold in and out. You can fold them back in for transit, and then when you get to site, you pull them down. These little arms slide out to hold the unit and adjust for level. If you want to follow me inside, what we have is a 4-season self-contained wash car unit. So what you can see here, this one actually has a shower in it, so it's great for campgrounds, anything where you're doing like multi-day stays. Lots of people also like these for weddings, that sort of thing. There's a toilet here, and then if you would take a look over here, what we've got is a mirror, a vanity, and a sink. Coming back outside, this unit has exactly the same stall on that side, so 2 showers, 2 toilets, 2 sinks. Following me around the back, what we have is mechanical access, so we put the door on the back side so people going in to use the washroom don't get confused. You take a look in here, you've got really easy access to your fresh water storage, your electrical, your pump, anything that needs to get maintenance. It's super streamlined to get in here. That is a 200-gallon water tank right there, so lots of fresh water storage. If you follow me around to this access panel, you can see the waste storage, which is one of the most unique parts about this unit. Is it's fully self-contained. It's also 4-season usable. A lot of them are only 3-season. This actually has a heating pad under it, so the tank doesn't freeze in the winter. You have your suck out over here, your electrical access right here. The whole unit overall is 16 feet long. And it's got stabilizer jacks on each corner so that you can level it out when you get set up on site. If you need something like this, reach out to our team for Washroom Solutions. We're happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.